Remitano account, we verified our account, we funded our wallet, then we bought cryptocurrency with it. So get started with Remitano. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. My name is Nnamdi James. I am an affiliate marketer. I make money online. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to practically show you on how to get started with crypto. For those of you who are living in, going to show you on how to buy cryptocurrency and sell cryptocurrency without having any issue with your bank or anybody. Okay, so in this I'm going to introduce a cryptocurrency platform. Then after introducing the cryptocurrency platform, we are going to create an account. After we have created an account, then we have to verify our phone number, our personal identity, our bank details. Everything will be done in this video. Everything will be done practically. Okay, so I'll take you to my PC and show you how to get started. So if you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. In this place we make things happen. Okay, so now let's get started. So guys, welcome back. So just like I said, when you go to the first link in the description of this video, I want you to click on that on that link. It will take you to a dashboard like this, and basically the platform that we shall be using is called Remitano. Remitano is a very nice cryptocurrency platform. You can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. In fact, there are so many things that you can do with Remitano. So now you come to this here that says register. Here that says login and register. As you can see, then you click on it. It is very easy. Okay, so we just allow it to load up. So you come to this place. So now you can sign in with your Google account, you can sign in with your Facebook account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up with my email address. So let me just click on here that says sign in with your email address. So we'll just allow it to load up. So after that, there we just have to enter I'll just enter my email address. I just entered my email address. Then after that, I have just entered my email address. After entering my email there, then I hear that says send link. Then I'll just click on it. It is very easy. Everything about this video will be 100% practical. So you can see they say I have this. So now an email has been sent, the email that I've just entered, and a link has been sent in that email. So what I have to do now, I'll just go to that email. By the time when I go to that email, I'll now click on the link. So now let me open the email. As you can see, Remitano have just sent me a link to my email. So let me just open the link. It's very easy. So I'll just open the link. So as you can see, this is the link that they sent in my email. So as you can see, log me to Remitano. I'll hear that says log me to in Remitano. I'll just click on it. So as you can see, the link that is sent through my email, I just click on it. As you can see from here, it has already entered. You can see it means that by clicking on it means that I'm the Rich Concept. I'm the one that referred you. So it is here that says continue. I'll just click on continue. So I'll just allow it to load up. As you can see, then after that, here this is the term. It takes you to a dashboard where you can see the terms and condition. So before then, I want you to go through all the terms and condition. And then after doing that, you come to here that says I have read and I agree. Then you click on it. So you just allow it to load up. After loading up, what do? It's here. It's demanding that you should enter your phone number. As you can see, you have to enter your phone number. So by the time when you do that, an OTP code will be sent to the phone number. You just have to enter the OTP code that has been sent to the phone number that you just entered. So as you can see, my phone number has been verified. That is the first step. So I'll just here that says click. I'll just hit on click on skip. So I have just created my Remitano account. I have just verified my phone number. So after verifying our account, our phone number, there are so many things you can do with Remitano. You can buy Bitcoin, you can trade, you can earn as an affiliate. There are so many things. But before you fund your wallet or buy crypto, there are things you still need to verify your account. So you come here that says here, like this is the email I use. You come to this drop bar option, you click on it. Then you come here that says verify, you click on it. Now remember that we just verified our phone number. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to verify your document. Then you come here that says verify, click on it. So we just allow it to load up. Then we'll now scroll back. Okay, we just allow it to load up. It's very, very easy. Just allow it to load up. Now you have to verify who you are. So now and then here in this place you have to verify. You need to upload a document. You see, identity document. You see what he's saying. Provide identity document, passport or driver's license or whatever have you. And look at you just have to go through all these things to know what they really want. Then you come here that says you can click on continue. You click on continue. Then you select the country. Here in this place you select the country. So I just by default it will only indicate the country that you are. Then after that you have to then what kind of document are you using? Are you using your international passport or driver, whichever way? Then after, okay, assuming that I'm using my international passport. After that, then I come to this place, and this is what it tells you to do. Then you come to this place, so you make sure that whatever document that you are using, make sure that you capture the full document. Then you come here that says upload the document. You click on it. By the time when you click on it, it takes you to a file picker. It will just take you to a file picker. Let me just select a file. Assuming, let me just select a file here. Assuming now I'm uploading this document. You see, assuming that this is document that I want to upload, maybe assuming that this document is my driver's license, all I need to do then after when it has finished uploading, then I'll just click on next. That is if you want, that is verifying your who you are. Then after that you come to this place again. After that you have to verify. Then after that, the second stage of the verification is you have to verify your bank details. In this place you have to enter your bank details. You can see from here now I have verified my phone number, my document, and my bank details has been verified from here now. So after that, now as you can see, the verification has been done. Now we'll come to this place again, then we'll click on. Now we just have to go back. That is how easy it is. Having made all the verification, the next thing you need to do is for you to fund your wallet. Now I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to do. So you come to this place here that says wallet, you click on it. Then you come to here that says wallet, then you click on wallet now. Then after that, now then you scroll down, then you come to here. You can see now in our wallet now there's no money in our wallet, so come here that says deposit. Now you click on deposit now. Then what amount do you want to how much do you want to deposit in your wallet? So let me assume I want to deposit 2018 naira. Then I'll click on next. Then you select the bank you want to use. Let me use First Bank. Then you click here and click continue now. Now I want you to pay attention to this place. Now in this place now you see here that says this is the amount you want to deposit, 2018. Now you click on it. Then you come to here. Then you paste it. Then this is the description, the account description, this thing. Then you come here, you copy it. Then you come to this place, then you paste. So then after that you click here, I'm ready to make it the transfer. Then you click on it. Then after that, now they will now go back. They here. So after that now, so now let me. So we are going to make a payment to this account, this account in Access Bank, to this name Amarachi Cyber Ogazi. Then this is the amount that we are going to use. That we're going to deposit 2018, and then this is the description that we are going to use exactly. So this is my mobile app now, and I'll now show you how to deposit the amount. Remember, we'll come to this place, we'll click on transfer. Then remember, we are transferring to Access Bank. We'll click on Access Bank, Access Transfer. Then the name of the account number is remember, the account number is 161 45 92 Then after that, remember what we are depositing. We are depositing in is 2080 naira. Then after that, then the narration. In the narration has to be the narration has to be tagged in small letters. Tag. So guys, so I have just made the payment. So what I need to do now is to upload the evidence of the payment that I just did. So I come to here that says send payment proof. I come to the place, then I go send payment proof, submit payment proof. I come to this place and submit payment proof. I now click on submit payment proof. I come here, I upload my payment proof. This is the payment proof that I've just made. It's very, very easy. This is the payment proof that I've just made. Then after doing that, then I now click on submit. As you can see, it is now verifying my payment proof. It is now verifying my payment proof. That is how easy it is. You can see it's checking on my payment proof. So that is how easy it is. I want you, everything that we do in this place is 100% practical. So that is how easy it is. Yes, that boom, as you can see it, the money that I've just deposited, you can see it, as you can see currently, you can see now the money has just entered. As you can see, this is the money that I've just funded my cryptocurrency, my Remitano wallet. And you can see, and immediately that is being done, you can see in this place now, you can see I got a notification. I want to do my balance. My balance was nothing, but you can see they have my money. The money that I just funded the wallet has been credited. So that is how easy it is. So I'm going to show you now how do you now buy and sell crypto using this platform called Remitano. It is very, very easy. Come to here that says buy with the currency, whichever currency you want to buy. You look at my mouse, you click on it. So by default, you can choose the type of cryptocurrency you can buy with it. You can buy with your Bitcoin or Ethereum, but let me just choose this one. Then you come to here that says then you scroll down here that says buy now. You just click on it. So by default, you have to enter the amount you want to buy. Let me say I want to buy that of 1,000 naira. I just entered the amount that I want to buy. It is very, very easy. I want to buy this Gata USD of that of 1,000 naira. Then after that, as you can see, it's still loading. I'll just allow the computer to load up. It is very, very easy. Then after that, here that says buy, I'll just click on buy. So I'll just, you see, are you sure you want to buy USD that of, it's asking me, I'll now say yes. As you can see, so that is how I'll just allow it to load up. As you can see, it has already loaded up. That is how easy it is. So as you can see, buying cryptocurrency automatically refreshes your page. So what do you do now? You come to here that says wallet. You go to your wallet. Then you come to here that says wallet. You click on it. So as you can see, look at the USDT Gata that we have just bought. Look at it. It has reflected, and remember that what I initially deposited was in 2018. Look at the current balance that is here. So that is how easy it is. That is how easy it is using the platform Remitano. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. In this place, I teach affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Okay, so if you have any question, I want you to drop it on the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you. Okay, so don't forget to stay tuned and watch out in other of my videos that I'm making up that will come out soonest. Okay, so bye for now.